Hey, what's up guys, it's me Nice and I am back today with another video. And yes, you read it right, it's the new DJI mic. I just had to snag one once I heard that DJI was coming out with their first microphone, wireless microphone, and I just had to try out one. So on the back of this box, basically it comes with some features. First one comes with a 250 m transmission range. Second one that's on the back of the box is dual channel range. For the third one, it actually has on this mic an onboard memory. So what that means is that you can record audio and then later on go to your computer and take that audio off of that mic. Fourth one is it's portable and compact. Fifth one has a wide compatibility. The last one, which is the sixth one, it has a 15-hour battery lifespan. So we're gonna just start ripping this plastic off from the top. So we're gonna just like rip it, take it off that box, and just, you know, just take this and just toss it on the floor for now. So after you finish ripping the plastic off and everything like that, then on the bottom, they made it easy for you to actually tear the box open without actually tearing the box or like being destructive or make a mistake and actually, you know, break your device before you actually get it out the box. So just like Apple does, they have a little zip tie thingy to make it a little bit easier for you to open. Hard boxes, like thick boxes like this, are harder to rip. So we're gonna just hold this right here and just pull it. And then we're gonna just sit that on the side. So after you finish ripping that little sticky tag off of your DJI box, all you're gonna do is just take this flap and flap it up. If you look on the top of the box, once you open it, it shows you it comes with the charging case, it comes with a receiver, it comes with 2 transmitters, also it comes with a carrying case, also it comes with a hot shoe adapter, it comes with 2 windscreens, a mobile phone adapter for your Android and also your iPhone. Also it comes with the camera audio cable. Also, it comes with an instruction manual, 2 clips, so magnet clips that actually you can clip onto your shirt. Comes with a charging cable to charge the actual charging case to keep your mics charged. So on the top, we're gonna actually pull this off, and it seems like it's the instruction manual. So we're gonna open this in a few. So we're gonna just put this to the side for now. So if you tilt the box like this, basically you take this out, and this is the actual charging case that DJI sends you. And inside the charging case is the mics and the transmitter. So we're gonna just unwrap this plastic off of this. We're gonna just put this box on the side, put that, and then we're gonna just sit this here, and then we're gonna just look at this arrow at the top. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna pull that back to just remove the plastic from the case, right? So the case looks just like this. It has the DJI logo on the top. If you look at the back of the case, it shows that it has a USB-C charging port. So I like to tell people, if you have a USB-C cord laying around, like if you have an Android phone that mainly uses USB-C cords, you could just pop that right in there. Or even if you have the latest Mac computer, you know, they use USB-C, the newest Macs. So you could just pop that in there and it'll charge your case. So let's see what's inside this box right here. So we're gonna open this, and automatically we see some pouch case. Charging case can actually go in for easy travel. So we're gonna actually open the pouch to see exactly what's inside. So what's inside, we get a windscreen, one of them. We pull out another one, we get another windscreen. So this is a aux port to an aux port. Right here is a USB right here to a USB-C. So if you, by all means, you have this laying around your house and you have an Android phone slash anything that uses a USB-C port, then you can just not unravel this and then basically use that you have available instead of having all those cords around. What else is in the bag? So DJI is smart. You know why I say that? Because I'm digging in the bag, I don't feel anything, but then there's another slot right here. They made another pouch inside one pouch, so you have an extra pouch right here. So we pull out that and we have some instructions, you know, information, privacy, etc., etc. If you guys want to take the time out to read this stuff, then you guys could, but we're gonna just put this on the side right here. So we're gonna reach into the bag again and we're gonna actually see exactly what else is inside the bag. So we have some more booklets right here, little paper. So we're gonna just put that to the side. If you guys again want to read that, you could at your own pace. But what we all want to see is basically what's inside the case. So we're gonna open this case and voila. As you see on the front right here, you see the 3 lights, the charging lights indicates that it's charging your devices. So you have one mic right here, you have the transmitter right here, and then you have another mic right here. Then if you take this out, you can just take it out and look how small this baby is. It's so tiny that I can't even believe how small this mic is. Once you take out the case, it's supposed to automatically pair with the transmitter, and the mic's supposed to automatically just work just by itself without any apps. This mic is lightweight. So on the back of it, you have a magnetic piece that you can actually pull off. Right here is a magnetic piece. So if you go like this, it'll stick. So now also it has a clip right there. We're gonna just put these guys right back into their charging case and then see how easy it goes in. So we put that right there, voila, it's charging 1. Put that right there, voila, it's charging 2. Now, this baby right here is your transmitter. So your transmitter, it's a touchscreen. So basically what happens is that this is the transmitter and it should go on top of your camera or even connect to your cell phone, depending on what you're trying to record with. So inside we're gonna just put that right there. So we're gonna just lay it down so that it doesn't fall. So what else is inside the case? You're gonna see the USB-C adapter. So if you guys got an Android or even the newer Mac computers that actually takes USB-C, you can actually use this and hook it up to your cell phone, your Android phone, because it's a USB-C port. There's an arrow at the top of the adapter, so it tells you and it indicates how you're supposed to slide it in to the transmitter on the bottom. So once you slide it in through the arrow, it should automatically just connect with the other wires. Make sure that's on good, and voila. It doesn't only come with the USB-C port, it comes with a lightning port. So for you iPhone users out there like myself, basically we don't have a headphone jack on our phones. Nowadays phones don't come with headphone jacks at all. So now we need a adapter, which is a lightning adapter. So all we do is the same thing that we did with the USB-C port. Is it has an arrow at the top, it has an arrow at the bottom showing you and indicating how you're supposed to slide this piece in. And then these parts at the bottom of that adapter is supposed to connect with these parts so that it could communicate with each other and say, hey, I need you to work, right? So basically what happens is that we're gonna slide that in right there, bam. Then we're gonna just take our iPhone and just plug it in and say, bam. No apps that you need to download at all. It should automatically work once you take it out the charging case. So once you're done with that, you just slide it back you slide it the opposite way. You slide it backwards. And basically you just stick this back in the case like this. Just stick it back in, it'll charge. Then basically you stick this in the back of this because it sits in the same case. I love how they did it. You stick it right back into the same case. And then once you got everything is charging, the adapters is there. You close the case, you put the case in your bag, you close it up, tighten it up, and then voila, we can just carry it as a pouch.